Yeah. So, welcome everyone. My name is Monica, and I think most of us are already aware. And these sessions at Saturdays at 8, we just pick up at times a topic. And at times we don't have a topic, we just explore our questions and challenges and try to see if we can gain clarity by talking about them, by maybe going deeper in different ways with that challenge. So today the topic that I chose for today, at times I do not choose a topic, but I chose a topic today because I was just curious to explore this process of thought, of thinking. And also I would ask you one by one to share your uh, observations on that. That most of the times we are thinking, right? We are thinking beings, and we find ourselves many a times we are just lost in thoughts. Sometimes we want to think about a particular thing, and at times we don't even want to think, but the thought is going on and on in default. So I was going through Mother and Sri Aurobindo's readings, writings, and words on imagination, power of thinking and imagination. And it occurred to me that, oh my God, we can actually make a lot of use with these words, good use of these words. So why don't we talk about it? And that's why I kind of put it into a session that let's talk about imagination, and especially with the guidance of words of Sri Aurobindo and the Mother. Yeah. So before I pick up what I have, a few readings which I will be reading out, and then we will be exploring through those texts. Before I do that, I would also like to get your observations so far. That have you ever observed yourself thinking? I'm sure most of us have. And mostly, what kind of a thought is going on in the head? Yeah, so let us share our experiences, and then see where we go from there. That usually on a day to day basis, what are the experiences when I observe my thought? What do I find myself thinking? Is it into a very higher direction, or is it on the level of ordinary consciousness, which is truth for many of us, most of us? So let us share our experiences. If some of us have experienced this kind of microscopic observing yourself and seeing that you are thinking, and that thinking is going on in default. So let us share one by one our experiences. Yeah. So whenever you are ready, just take your time, unmute and share. Yes, Sriramji, you want to share?
No, I just wanted to say hello to you because I was not on the meeting for a long time. I
Okay.
had my own personal issues, and every time I attempted to come in, I couldn't. And something it was there was a. So today I thought I should join. So I wanted to wish you first, and then perhaps come into the meeting flow.
Obviously.
Uh, Thank you very much. God bless us. I'll catch up with you. I just wanted to say hello to you, Monica.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you that you could join today. Yeah. Very glad.
Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you.
Yeah. So, if no one else is sharing, I think sometimes we feel that how can I share my thoughts out loud with people, and we wonder that it's amusing that we have all similar kind of thoughts. Most of the times we are thinking about what we are desiring, maybe, why am I not getting what am I wanting, maybe a relationship, maybe a thing, maybe a job, and all the thoughts about that, maybe some relationship entanglement, maybe we are all the time going on and on in our head because of that. So this is where we usually find ourselves. Maybe a health challenge, maybe all the worst possible that can happen with respect to my health. That's what I'm thinking about. what all bad can happen, you know. Yeah. Anything else that you come across, you thinking, and what kind of an observation is it?
Good evening,
Hi.
Monica. Oh, I'm sorry. Is anybody already speaking?
Yeah, it was Nitesh. So just Komla ji, go ahead. After you, Nitesh can share. Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and hi, Monica.
Yeah.
So, if we just talk about thoughts and thinking, uh, me and my family were all COVID positive, and we were like 5 members in the family. So, we were all struggling for the last many days. It's been like almost step by step, few infected first, and then few, and then one, right? Joined. So yes, if I look back and think about the last 15, 20 days, uh, the thoughts that have been coming were about health, yes. Then again, why me, right? And then again, then why not me? So, it's been so much, and I'm like, it's obvious what is going around in the country, especially. So yes, we were also chosen. We were also the special ones, and we very boldly fought through this. We all are almost have recovered. So I wanted to join today. Just could think of what next, and we are still recovering. We are still on the way, and the thoughts were like yes. And then I wanted to reflect upon that. Understanding illness. Going back to your workshop, कि कहाँ गलती कर रही हूँ, क्या सही नहीं कर रही हूँ, क्या सबक है इसमें. एंड देन लुकिंग एट द पेंडेमिक आई फील ये तो सारी फिलहाल तो दुनिया के लिए सबक है. एवरीबडी हैज टू लर्न their bit and change and do things in a different way. Yes. So these were the thoughts that I had, and I am only feeling grateful towards the Lord and the God and our the universe, whatever supreme power is there, that they did choose us. We were chosen to be ill, and this infection had to come. But then again, I'm only full of gratitude that I just hope that I'm learning my lessons well, and I'm ready to be and walk this path about self improvement, introspection. So yes, these were the thoughts, and a lot of gratitude towards the Lord.
Beautiful. Komla ji, you may have heard about this quote. I don't know who said this. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So I
Yes,
think,
yes, of course.
yeah, yeah,
So I can say it was just it's not exaggeration, but it was actually a near death experience. Like
absolutely.
we just thought that we've lost everybody and we might lose everybody, and what ifs and so many what ifs. And I'm sure you're aware my daughter is in Spain, so we thought that we are all going to not maybe survive this. And you know I just can't explain what all we were going through, but I'm still very thankful to God that we are all good, healthy, and back to healthy life and normal life. Yes, these are my recent thoughts
Beautiful. Yes, that's really.
regarding
I
health,
was
basically.
sharing with a friend a couple of days ago that it's as if a mass near death experience is being given to all of us going through this virus, so that we can wake up to ourselves, and this gratitude that you feel, I think if someone takes our possessions back, like if I have a big portly of treasure and I'm sitting on it, I'm not being grateful of it, but once it is taken and then given back, the gratitude I then feel about this life, it doesn't come in that intensity when I have a life like that. So when taken and then given back, somehow we care for it, begin to care for it more deeply, as you were sharing, the gratitude that is coming for having the life.
Exactly, just like you had quoted many times, you've quoted that there was a person who got hurt, the leg got fractured or hurt, and once the person got okay, then the person wanted to learn to dance. अभी तक किसने रोका था आपको? But the mere absence of good health and the capabilities and capacities to do things, जैसे ही वो गायब हो जाती है हमारे लिए temporary, we suddenly realize the importance. And then but this is also important, I think. मतलब अब दुनिया में आए हैं तो ये सब होगा भी, और हम भटकेंगे भी और राह पे वापस आएंगे भी. So thanks to Living Light and James and Nama that we've got connected. And just to share with you, I might connect one of my friends with you also. I've been thinking of you quite a lot in the last few days, but I didn't have the energy to connect with you. A very dear friend of mine lost her husband to COVID. So I need your help there to, take her out of that depression and just help her out. But yes, I'll be connecting with you on a personal level after the meeting. But yes, the scenario, what is going on. So thinking about an imagination, it was all, you imagine yourself dead also. कि खत्म भी हो जाएंगे सब, this might not be there. So yes, that's.
Thank you for sharing, Komla. Yeah. Yes, Nitish, you want to go next? You wanted to share?
Hi everyone. Good morning. Good evening, and everyone who's going through COVID. I hope you all recover soon. It's a hard time really. And coming back to the thing, like I try to observe myself, uh, uh, the thinking process. Okay, so I found out that in the simple activities, while doing simple activities, the activities which I'm very comfortable with, in where I don't have to think, like driving, like brushing my teeth, like cycling, in those activities my mind would wander off very easily, and I will be thinking about unnecessary things rather focusing on them. And uh, so I try to observe that, and is it's still like that. Like mind would wander off, and I'll okay snap out of it and try to just staying in the moment is. I think it comes out of practice. Like you have to stay in the moment while doing very simple things. Like when you take a bath, you will never think about what you're doing. You will think about a lot of things you have to do in your day and your aspirations and your relationships, all those things. But this is what I found, that even in simple things, we should just try to stay in present, and it comes with a lot of practice. That's what I felt. And it like while doing cycling, when I tried to do it with a lot of awareness, and I felt like I have a lot of things to learn in that process. Like I was not doing it carefully, and I would not focus on my body, and that's where it causes injuries. Or while doing exercises, while doing gymming, because it becomes a part of a process daily. We don't have to think while lifting a weight in gym, because it's very simple, and we would think about 100 things apart from what we are doing in that process. So, and uh, and in idle time, and like it's very general that we would think about, like you said, relationships or our dreams and aspirations. And when I observed a lot of people who had um, more privileges than me, or who had a better life currently than me, maybe, uh, and I still see them struggling like me, like they are also overthinking. So I started to feel, there's no nothing good comes out of it eventually, like from overthinking and thinking unnecessary things. But it's just, it doesn't happen like, I don't want to overthink and it will go away. I think it comes from practice, and I'm trying to learn, how to adapt it and make it a natural process, so I don't have to force it. Like I don't want to think. So I am in process of that, and trying to learn things, how to make it natural in my daily life. So
Beautiful. Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you for sharing, Nitish. Yeah. Beautiful. So, anyone else who wants to share if they have ever observed themselves thinking and what kind of a default thinking is going on? Because we are then going to talk about the power of uh, imagining, actually making, being the master of ourselves. So, yes, Shristi, you want to share?
Hi, Monica. This is my first time here. So, you said the power of thinking. I and my mom were also COVID positive around 2, 3 weeks back, and I recovered pretty soon. But my mom, she's 60 years old, so she was very sick, and I had read about law of attraction a long time back, that your thoughts create your world, but I never really applied it because I thought that what is this? You've been living your life. But when you're in dire need, that this, because it's just me and my mom, and I was already positive, I was already weak. So um and somehow, I don't know, by maybe by God's grace, that I was just scrolling through YouTube and this video popped up that your thoughts create. So I thought that, okay, let's just try. And the first day, it was a battle in my head, that I would say that my mom is completely healthy. But then I would see her and it would be like, but you see her, she's sick. Are you crazy? Are you down? So it was like I'm constantly fighting with myself, and I'm saying my mom is healthy. Then I'm going around the house. No, my mom is healthy. My mom is healthy. My mom is healthy. Shut up. You shut up. It was uh, and I did this for around 10 days. Every day, I washing, like Nitin mentioned, when you're doing all these mundane tasks, washing clothes and bartan dhona, all of these things. And those were the times when I would literally concentrate and just say that, no, she is healthy. Even if she's not healthy right now, I know, since they're saying that thoughts will create, just stay here, it will create. And I don't know how. I actually believe that this was like magic, because it worked, and she is not weak at all now. I mean, I don't know, people are saying there's weakness, but I see her working every day. She's exercising, she's doing all of those things. And uh, I don't know, I'm just grateful that I have learned this process, this new thing. And now I've started applying it to different sectors of my life, small things, that, okay, I have this job. Okay, I want this new thing. I don't know. And they also mentioned this one thing, that stop worrying how it will happen. So that is really challenging sometimes, because you think of something that, but then you're like, how will it come through? What, are you crazy? Like I mentioned, it's just the war. And yeah, I'm learning about this process, and I thought that I should join this Zoom meeting to learn more. Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful to hear your experience, Shristi.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. And we will be touching upon what you shared very soon. When I read the words of Mother and Sri Aurobindo, we will be touching upon that also. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else who wants to share any experience of observing thoughts, or maybe using what Shrishti shared, your imagination or the power of thinking? Anybody? All right. So, okay. So, as and when you feel ready to share or reflect, please unmute and share. So now I think I'll just start with a few lines. I'll be kind of reading it out, and then we'll be reflecting upon it together, because Mother's words have really a lot of power here in terms, especially when I read this topic, imagination, like lots of practical advice for all of us. Huh? So Mother is saying imagination is a power of formation. So if somebody formed this speaker, for example, first he had to imagine it. Only then it could happen. Yeah. So we are actually making things happen by imagining out those things. So just like Srishti shared, that if I'll keep on imagining that my other mother will not be healthy, or all the worst possible things, then I am actually kind of, being a partner in my crime, that I am trying to make that particular thing happen. It may happen, it may not happen. That is a different thing. Yeah. But I am being a partner in the crime, that I am kind of adding on to the formation of that negative thing which I don't want with myself. So that is the power. Imagination, mother says, is the power of formation. Then she says, if you have pain somewhere, and if you imagine that you are making the pain disappear, now these are the experiments which we can do with ourselves, or are removing the pain, or are destroying the pain. All these images, if you have in your head, well, you succeed perfectly. So imagine that I have a migraine or a headache or some pain somewhere, maybe period, menstrual cramps pain, some other kind of a pain. And if I begin to use my imagination, not only then, because I need a lot of practice to be at it, I cannot do it in the middle of the challenge. So if I'm already experimenting with it, and then I use it when pain appears, that imagining that the pain has disappeared, how am I feeling now, mother is saying that you succeed perfectly. Usually we are not convinced. Hota kya hai, owing to the mind, we are so much in doubt, as Srishti was also sharing, doubt aa raha hai ki अरे ये तो healthy नहीं है, तू कैसे बोल रही है पागलों की तरह की healthy है. So this doubt is the function of mind. We don't have to listen to the doubt. We have to be actually become like an idiot and saying that the pain is gone, the pain is gone. Now how would I feel in the body if the pain is gone? The pain is gone away, the pain is gone away. Yeah. So that is what mother is sharing, that if you do like that, then you succeed perfectly. Then she shares a little story of a person who was losing her hair at a fantastic rate, enough to become bald within a few weeks. And then someone told her that when you brush your hair, imagine that it is growing and it will grow very fast. So this is the advice she got from a person. And always while she was brushing her hair, she said, oh, my hair is growing. Oh, it will grow very fast. So this is what she started imagining. And in no time, she had a head full of air. Now, कुछ लोगों को ये चीज बिल्कुल खोखली लग सकती है, and it's okay. Yeah. But we have to logically arrive at it. Now, if I say that कुछ नहीं होगा इन चीजों के बारे में सोचने से, if actually you look at our day-to-day life, we are all the time imagining. We are all the time thinking. All the time. There would be really rare moments when I am not thinking. So, जानते हुए कि हमारा जो डे टू डे जीवन है वो इसी तरीका का है, that we are always thinking all the time, can I actually be a little master of my thinking, that I dictate that this is the thought which I will be thinking, knowing that usually I am always thinking. Now I am just doing a little tadka. The tadka is that this will be the thought that I will be thinking. Yeah. So there is no mumbo jumbo here. You are anyways all the time thinking. Now you are just experimenting with it, that what you want for yourself, that is what you are going to make it happen. Now the problem is that what we are wanting is all the time changing. This is the problem, and we'll come to that later because mother has something to say there as well. Yeah. So now mother shares that if we come down to a more ordinary level and keep sharing, if you have anything to share, just unmute and share in between. One sees that everyone, each human being, in a greater or a lesser measure, has the power to give form to his mental activity. कि आपने सोचा आज मुझे आलू उबालने हैं, पहले आपने सोचा, yeah, and then you make it happen. So this is the power. Usually this power is taken for granted कि अरे ये तो सब कर लेते हैं, इसमें कौन सी नई बात है. But this is actually a power that we have. So I think about something and I make it happen. I think that I will have a session and I make it happen. This is the power each one of us have. Yeah. We are all the time always creating images in our head, and creating forms. We send them into the atmosphere. So whatever I think, whatever I imagine, I send it into the atmosphere as if it's a little form, like an angelic form that goes out, like a makhi, like it goes out into the atmosphere. without even knowing that we are doing so. Usually we are not aware that we are creating these images and forms, but we are doing so. And those of us who are able to observe this, I think it's beautiful if we can observe that this is what is happening. All the time, I am imagining and sending out forms in the atmosphere. Yeah. They go roaming about. Mother is sharing that they go roaming about, like chote chote bacche ghoom rahe hain, huh? Roaming about, pass from one person to another, meet companions on their way. Sometimes they join together and get on happily, and sometimes they create conflicts. You remember we used to watch this Ramayana serial. I don't know who else has watched. In our younger days, they used to come Ramayana. So one tear will come from Ram and the other will come from some other fellow, and they will clash. So fire will come. So mother is saying at times the thoughts go together well. किसी और ने भेजी, आपने भेजी, they go together on a journey, and sometimes they clash with each other, like bombard with each other. Yeah. And then there are battles. For very often these mental imaginations, there is a small element of will which tries to realize itself. So whoever is the person who has sent out the thought, he has sent out with a particular will that ye hona chahiye, mujhe ye chahiye. Yeah. So this will is also there with that thought, and that is why the clash happens, owing to that will present in that thought. Yeah. And then mother shares that if our eyes were open, हमारी जो आंखें हैं वो सिर्फ ग्रॉस चीजें देख सकती हैं, जैसे ये स्पीकर देख लिया, मुझे देख लिया, किसी और को देख लिया सामने, ये सारी चीजें देख सकती हैं. मदर इज शेयरिंग इफ आवर आईज वर ओपन to the vision of all these forms in the atmosphere, we would see very amazing things. Battlefields, waves, onsets and retreats of crowd of small mental entities which are constantly thrown out in the air, and they try to realize it themselves. So this is what we are creating. Now, अगर हम इन आंखों से देखें, कोई नहीं कह सकता ये सब हो रहा है. And that is why the significance of the third eye, they say third eye is the eye which can see beyond form. This power of observation, what Nitesh was sharing, that I observe myself and this is what I find. So this power of observation is a capacity which has only been granted to human beings. A bakri or a gai, it cannot observe and correct itself. We can observe and correct ourselves. So can we use this power? Huh? Now, mother is sharing what is the beginning of wisdom here in terms of thought and imagination. The beginning of wisdom is to look at ourselves thinking. This is the beginning of wisdom. The third eye that we were talking. कि अपने आप को पकड़ लिया, देख लिया कि क्या सोच विचार चल रहा है. This is the beginning of wisdom. The beginning of wisdom is to look at ourselves thinking and to see this phenomenon, become aware of this, कि हम क्या क्या thoughts create करते हैं और clashing thoughts create करते हैं, become aware of this. Constant projection into the atmosphere of small living entities which are trying to manifest. And then mother shares, what is our task? Now we can begin to sort them out. That is, to push back what is not in conformity with our highest will or aspiration, and allow to move only towards manifestation, the formations which can help us progress and develop normally. Now the thing that Shrishti was sharing, that she recognized that this negative thinking is going on in the head, and fortunately she stumbled upon something nice, and then she used that power to create something which she wanted to happen. So to recognize what all is going on, and then to sort them, and then push away all the negative ones which I don't really want, but they are going on in a loop. Yeah. So all these bad things that, oh my God, I'll be dead, or whatever, my mother will be sick. All this negative loop of thinking which goes on by default with every human being. Every human being. उसको आपने देख लिया और देखने के बाद आपने बोला नहीं, मेरे को तो ये नहीं चाहिए. So why not turn it into something which is towards higher will or aspiration, that may everyone remain healthy. May everyone remain healthy, wise and intelligent. So this is something like you pushed it into a higher direction. Yeah. So the moment I recognized the negative loop, I changed it. I reversed it. Now this capacity is not with the animals, not with the plants. It's only with us. That's why human birth has been called very precious, because here we have the ability to work on ourselves, correct ourselves, make ourselves as we want to live a life. हाँ, ये नहीं कि थपेड़ों के साथ ही चलते जा रहे हैं. हाँ, जो थपेड़ा पड़ा इधर चले गए, उधर से थपेड़ा पड़ा उधर चले गए. So here we are having the ability or the power to create my life and also to give a little direction to it. Little direction, baby steps. So anything so far? Anyone, any question, any reflection? Okay. So this is what mother calls control of active thought. कि आप उसको मैनिपुलेट कर रहे हैं. इमेजिन कीजिए एक कार चला रहे हैं, कार को हम मैनिपुलेट करते हैं. अगर लेफ्ट जाना है तो इधर करते हैं, राइट जाना है तो इधर करते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. This is called control of active thought, mother says. And then she says that when you have become a little expert at it, थोड़ा practice करते करते, experiment करते करते, not only do you see unfolding before you the history of what you would like to happen in life, but you can take something away, add a detail. Mother says that you can add a little detail कि अच्छा आज मुझे अपनी लाइफ में ना ऐसे 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 करना है. You can add a little detail. आज मुझे अगर ये बंदा मिले तो देखते हैं, just a little experiment, nothing that it's the absolute truth that you are wanting at this moment, but you are experimenting with it. Yeah, you can perfect your work, mother says, and then you can create a really fine story in which everything confirms with your highest aspiration. Now इस चीज का हमें ध्यान रखना है that whatever I am creating, is it my highest possibility? Is it empowering me? Is it strengthening me? That is my highest possibility. And then mother shares, which I think Shrishti also touched upon, once you have made a complete imagination, the harmonious construction, as perfect as you want to make it, then you open your hands and you let it fly away. So you don't have to keep on possessing it. You have to create an image and let it go away. That okay, when it will be the right time, it will happen. So no need to cling at it कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा, क्यों नहीं हो रहा. That is not required. Otherwise nothing can be experimented. So that emotional aggression कि ये मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए, वो नहीं होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. You created something beautiful and then you let it away. You offered it to the divine. You surrendered it, yeah, to the universe. So this is also very important, that we have to surrender whatever imagination that we are thinking about our life. And then mother shares that usually hota kya hai, because we are so dynamic, we are changing every moment. So एक साल पहले जो मैंने सोचा था और उसको छोड़ दिया था, अब एक साल के बाद वो रियलाइज होने वाला है. बट अब मेरी डिजायर चेंज हो चुकी है. Now I don't want that thing in my life, and that is why conflict and battles happen, confusions happen with me. So now the thing that I imagined in my life is going to happen, but now somehow I don't want it. So mother shares, and that is why you have, whenever you are imagining anything, stay with the highest possibility, कि सबसे उचित मेरे लिए क्या है, what is in the welfare and goodness of all. Is it empowering me, is it strengthening me, is it strengthening the other person. तो जब हम इतना सोच विचार करके फिर वो इमेजिन करते हैं ना, तब वो चीज वो होगी जो एक साल के बाद भी मुझे ठीक लगेगी. यूजुअली हम अगर डिजायर्स को मैनिफेस्ट करें तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये होती है दैट द डिजायर्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. लास्ट ईयर आई वांटेड टू बी विद दैट पर्सन, दिस ईयर आई डोंट वांट टू बी विद दैट पर्सन. Yeah, so that's why it creates conflicts in the being. Yeah. So this is why mother shares that it is very important to control myself, for within me are multiple and contradictory wills. आज ये चाहिए था, अब वो नहीं चाहिए. आज उसमें इंटरेस्ट था, अब उसमें बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So one has to be very careful, what am I creating? Because if it manifests, then I will not be wanting it. So what am I creating? that knowledge also has to be there, that wisdom has to be there. Yeah. Yeah, this is also very beautiful, something which I have observed with my own self. I'll just share this with you. Mother shares that I have known with people with opposite sides. Huh? I have seen this in me also. So I'm pretty sure that because we can observe that in ourselves. I have known people with such opposite sides in nature, so contradictory, that one day they could make something magnificent, imagine something magnificent, luminous, powerful, and the next day form a very dark, a very black formation, a very defeatist formation, some like a very dark kind of a image that I am creating for myself. So this can happen with us, that someday I am in a very beautiful state, I am creating something beautiful, and then in other day I am in a very bad mood, I am creating again, I am all the time creating something very sad and dark. And now what happens? Mother shares that I was able to follow the course of circumstances. Mother could see how the thoughts are forming themselves and the beautiful one being realized. And when it was being realized, the dark one also came and demolished the work which the beautiful one had done. So this can happen with us anytime. That on one hand, I am creating something very beautiful, and on the other day I am creating something dark. So it is now manifesting itself, and now it is coming and killing the beauty. So this is what we become aware of, that this is happening in us, whether we are aware of it or not aware of it, throughout 24/7 of our existence. So what do I want to do with it, knowing that this is happening? How do I want to go about it? Otherwise, the day to day life that we live, most of the times we are not even aware that there are things that I can take care of or mastering the thought. So the moment I realize that एकदम से negative loop शुरू हुआ है thinking का, can I reverse it? Is that my possibility? I remember, I want to share my own experience with bladder cancer. I remember that the first time I was diagnosed, again the so-called death thoughts and all kind of thoughts will come to me, whether I'll be okay or not. But then when I got to know about these affirmations, I actually used them. I used to write them, and for me writing really helped a lot. So I used to just like a mad person write that my bladder is all healthy and my kids are taken care of, everything is beautiful, something like that, which gave me a lot of power within me. Although my bladder was not healthy, as Srishti was sharing, not healthy, but I just wanted not to indulge in that negative loop of thinking. So I said that yes, I will do that. My bladder is completely healthy, full of light, and my kids are taken care of. Because when I did that, when I wrote that like a mad person, it made me feel empowered. So किसी और इंसान के लिए वो बेवकूफी हो सकती है, मेरे लिए तो उसने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Yeah. So this is what we can do. And then slowly what happens is, slowly those empowering thoughts or stronger thoughts, they become more part of my being. तो अब वो लूप में empowering thoughts चलेंगी rather than those negative and weakening thoughts. Yeah. So slowly that change also happens, that you don't even go towards that weakness at all now. You have so much of faith in surrender in the universe that you say whatever will happen for good. So वो धीरे धीरे अंदर चला जाता है, पूरा आपकी बॉडी बन जाता है वो. Yeah. So anything from here, anyone? Any question, any reflection?
Okay, so two things just now struck me.
Mm.
So one is something good is not happening in your life, and you want things to take a positive turn. So just like Srishti said, that practice the law of attraction. You attract what you want, and you get it. Yes. So there is one situation where you want things to change, and you practice that law of attraction. And exactly opposite is, so whatever is happening, and I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for things to happen, unfold, and let me see what happens. So what exactly, there are two different situations, and what exactly should one person
So
person do?
को Komla ji, I believe they are one. I will tell you why.
Fine.
See, we are all the time thinking. Now, when you say that I'm not doing anything, just waiting for things to unfold, it is not possible that you are not thinking. कुछ ना कुछ विचार चल रहा होगा,
True.
है ना? तो ये इस चीज को हमने देखना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा थॉट बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हो गया, कोई थॉट ही नहीं चल रही, क्योंकि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता. वी आर नॉट मेड लाइक दैट. वी आर मेड इन अ वे दैट सम और द अदर थॉट इज गोइंग ऑन. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? सी, the using the law of attraction, whether the thing happens or not, that is not my concern. Because I am letting the bird fly away after imagining. My concern is that right now, owing to the negative loop of thinking, the weakness I feel in the being, I don't want to be here. I want to feel empowered, and I want to know that I am taken care of. So what I do is, the moment I notice a weaker thought in myself, and that capacity is with us human beings, the moment I notice a weaker thought, I say, okay, let me see how can I make it an empowering thought. For example, those of us who have a connection with the divine in any form, life force or mother, anything, the moment a negative loop comes in me, for example, I say, Mother, I am going to stay with you. Mother, I am going to stay with you. And the moment I do that, somehow the strength comes back. Mother, I don't want anything but you. So I was giving away earlier power to the weakening thoughts. And now suddenly, the moment I said, Mother, I am going to stay at your feet. I don't want anything. I just want to be with yourself. And please keep on guiding me. The moment I transform the weakening thought, I feel suddenly empowered. This is what the game is about. It's all about the present. And then if in case you are imagining something, it has to be flown away. It has to be given back to the universe. Whether it will come back to you or not, that is not my.
Yes, maybe because we just keep clinging to what we want, and then we keep thinking and we get obsessed with that thought and imagination.
Yeah.
I also feel sometimes कि इतना मांगा तो मिला क्यों नहीं, ऐसा हुआ क्यों नहीं. So कहीं ना कहीं वो इतना मांग लिया आपने कि आपने मतलब उसको फिर फ्री ही नहीं किया, तो जस्ट बूमरैंग करके वापस आए वो आपके पास. लेट यूनिवर्स को सुनने तो दो, उसको दो, फिर वो वापस देंगे. तो यू आर राइट. यस, वी डोंट डू दैट मोस्टली. वी जस्ट क्लिंग टू इट.
Yes, absolutely. So even in terms of health, this is what I can do. That I am undergoing a disease or a virus. Okay, I know things can go anyway, but what am I saying inwardly? I am saying, Mother, I give my whole body to you. Mother, you take care of this body. I am giving my life to you. Now, when I do this, I feel so empowered that Mother is taking care. Yeah, it's not that I'm not doing the right actions. All right actions, steaming and inhalation, subthix, everything is going on. But now I'm not clinging to my health, which you were sharing. Clinging is not happening. So wo burden is.
Exactly. There, a lot of faith plays a role. And wherever we fail, I feel that कहीं ना कहीं आपके faith को कहीं ना कहीं the faith was not 100% or maybe the more than 100% that you need to give, because कहीं अगर faith कम रहता है, so things don't actually happen in that direction. They don't. And then what you do is, देखा, ये तो होना ही था, ये हुआ ही नहीं. But हम ये नहीं realize करते. Yes, it's a very conscious effort that जो witnessing हम करते हैं अपने thoughts की, जो हमें पता है क्या चल रहा है mind में. So to ensure and make sure that that it's always positive and the faith is there, so that the thing that we want and we are asking for the universe to give and hoping to get that, उसके लिए वो faith पूरा intact रखना बहुत important है.
Yeah. And what does faith say? Faith says, the cryptic language of faith is, if I need it for growth in my life, it will be given. This is the certitude of faith.
Absolutely, absolutely.
कि अगर मेरी लाइफ में इस चीज की जरूरत है तो वो रहेगी, और अगर मेरे को किसी और चीज के थ्रू ग्रो करना है तो वो आएगा. दिस इज व्हाट
अच्छा, तो मैं सोचती थी कि मैं अपने आप को बहलाने के लिए ऐसा बोलती हूँ. But see, that's a fact also. if it was not meant for me,
Absolutely.
something better maybe something better is coming.
Yeah.
But yes, I do believe that if a door closes, another door is already open somewhere.
Yes.
We need to just find that door.
Yes. Yes. And along with that, Komlaji, we also have to see that as a human being, our journey is of growth of consciousness. तो हमको अपने रिलेशनशिप्स और वर्क प्लेस और जॉब एंड सिक्योरिटी इसके साथ चिपक के हमको कोई पूरा यूनिवर्स नहीं रहने देगा, क्योंकि वो हमारा काम नहीं है. हम यहाँ पे सेटल होने नहीं आए हैं, हम यहाँ पे ग्रो करने आए हैं. वी आर हेयर टू ग्रो एज ह्यूमन बींग्स. नाउ इफ दैट ग्रोथ स्टॉप्स एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, then I'm given jhatkas, because those jhatkas wake me up and they again put me on the path of growth of consciousness. That is the primary purpose of human existence. The purpose of human existence is not to get settled down and have a good family and children and all that. That is not the purpose, and that is why we feel so shocked if something happens to our family and anything, because we thought अरे ये क्या हो गया. बट हमें पता नहीं है कि ये तो इसलिए हो गया क्योंकि तुम्हारा पर्पस ये नहीं था. तुम्हारा पर्पस है ग्रो करना. अब अगर ये भी हुआ है तो इससे भी तुम्हें ग्रो करना है, नो मैटर हाउ मच ऑफ पेन, लॉस एंड ग्रीफ वन हैज टू गो थ्रू. सो इट्स almost one can say cruel at times, but that is how we grow. Yeah.
Jab se I think it's been since March I have started attending the first workshop that I attended, yours workshop. So, tab se I feel that I'm treading a different path, and I feel a lot of freedom, and I got a specimen myself. और मैं उसको सारा दिन, अभी तो थोड़ा गैप आ गया because of the illness, so I was all the time trying to dissect my own self, my mind, my thoughts. अच्छा ये अभी एक सेशन अटेंड किया, and then I would take all those things in my mind and keep them at the back कि हाँ, और उनको consciously सोच के. So I really feel I got freedom once I started thinking about myself, working on myself, and I got a specimen जिसके लिए मुझे हमेशा I have some experiment and some job, some task, and वो करके देखो तो it's amazing. वो
Yeah.
बहुत fulfilling है. That, oh
Absolutely.
yes, I could do this. Even if it is anger, कि ये या or a negative thought that I have to shun, or कि नहीं, this is not giving me peace, so just stop. So it's liberating basically.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Absolutely. Mother used to say that she was so, as a child, she was so immersed in observing her movements, just like as you were sharing, that she would not feel the need to go out as other kids would go out for a circus or entertainment. So, and mother shares that if one works at this imagination and the power of, controlling our thoughts, moving them in the right direction, if we do this regularly, no longer one has the time to feel bored, as exactly what you were sharing. So it actually is very, very fulfilling, and it gives us almost a lifetime job. We will never be a berozgar, no matter whether we have an external job or not, but we will always have something at hand to experiment and observe, and that is really very beautiful. Yeah. And then let me share a few lines that mother shares, that once we use this experimentation and practice with controlling the thoughts and reaffirming and imagining, then instead of being a cork afloat on the waves of the sea and tossed here and there by each wave, defenselessly, one becomes a bird which opens its wings, flies above the waves, and goes wherever it wants. Now, this is the power we have. This is the power we have. Usually, as human beings, we are just puppeted around by thoughts, by emotional movements, by physical conditions. But if I experiment, even begin to experiment with this, as Komlaji was sharing, it is very empowering, very strengthening in nature. And that tells you that it is the right way to go. Whenever we are going the right way, we feel empowered. We feel, yes, something beautiful is happening. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Shrishti. Yeah.
I have a question here. So अभी आप बोल रहे थे कि जब आप कोई चीज मांगते हो, आप उसे मांगो एंड यू लेट इट गो, एंड आप ये मत सोचो कि वो मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. बट मेरा ये था कि आपका भी, जैसे आपने यू सेड कि आप एक पागल आदमी की तरफ लिख रहे थे कि आई एम हेल्दी, आई एम हेल्दी, आई एम हेल्दी। आप वो था ना, आप एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते थे कि मैं होना ही नहीं है। तो आई जस्ट फील कि अगर हम ये चीज रखेंगे ही नहीं कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, ये चीज नहीं चाहिए, तो हाउ, मतलब आपको जो डिजायर होगा उसका मतलब फायदा क्या होगा? कि यू लाइक कि ठीक है, मुझे एक बहुत सिंपल चीज, मुझे आईफोन चाहिए, आई आई वांट आईफोन 12, बट मुझे मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो हाउ डज द डिजायर इवन प्ले दैट रोल? मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड माय क्वेश्चन? मैं शायद
बिल्कुल,
फ्रेज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ उसे ढंग
बिल्कुल,
से।
बिल्कुल। तो मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ सृष्टि, सी इफ आई हैव अंडरस्टूड करेक्टली, okay, let me know. So I am Srishti and I have an imagination that I want iPhone 12, okay.
या या
Now how to use this you are saying in that terms, huh?
नहीं, हाँ, मतलब ये कि अगर मैं लेट गो कर दूं उस चीज को कि मिले चाहे ना मिले, तो फिर मेरे पास तो वो डिजायर ही नहीं। इट्स लाइक
नहीं नहीं, डिजायर अभी भी है, डिजायर अभी भी है, लेकिन वो डिजायर आपको खा नहीं रही है।
अच्छा,
तो
ओके,
आप क्या कर रहे हो, देखो आप क्या कह रहे हो, वाई इज मदर सेइंग कि उसको फॉर्म करो और छोड़ दो? क्यों कह रही है मदर ऐसे? मदर इसलिए कह रही है क्योंकि इन एसेंस वी आर होल एंड कंप्लीट, बट
Okay.
व्हेन अ डिजायर कम्स इट मेक्स मी फील दैट आई एम इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट दैट थिंग। ये चक्कर है। तो अगर मैं ये बोलती रहूंगी ओ माय गॉड अगर नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा, नहीं मिला तो क्या होगा, तो आप अपना स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो दैट आई एम इनकम्प्लीट एज आई एम राइट नाउ, यही स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो ना।
राइट राइट
This is
राइट,
wrong, this is falsehood.
या
So that is why the moment I form with absolute will and conviction that this is what I want in my life, and if I am to be given this thing, it will come to me. A certitude is there. But the
Yeah.
fact is also there कि अगर वो मेरे लिए हानिकारक है, if it is harmless for me, then let it not be there in my life.
ओके
Because
ओके,
I'm not sure what desires are good for me and what desires are bad for me. हमें
राइट,
क्या पता होता है when we are absolutely falling in a romantic kind of a relationship for the first time, what we find ourselves wanting is that person should come to my life, that person should come to my life. That is
Yeah.
what we want. But
Yeah.
how do you know whether that person coming to your life is good for you, shubh, auspicious for you or not? How do you know?
राइट,
Maybe that person entering into your life totally up, destroys your life. Who knows? Who knows? So the
Yeah.
thing is, आपने इमेजिन किया पूरी विल के साथ, पूरी श्रद्धा के साथ, और आपने उसको स्वाहा कर दिया, छोड़ दिया, क्योंकि उससे आप ये बता रहे हो कि मैं जो अभी हूं, आई एम ओके, आई एम कंप्लीट।
ओके,
Yeah. So you are strengthening yourself there. You are empowering yourself that I am not incomplete without that person or a thing not being there in my life.
ओके, दिस इज समथिंग लाइक सेल्फ लव, आई थिंक, राइट?
कह सकते
कि
हो,
ओके,
कह सकते हो। Yeah.
Actually, मुझे क्या complete करेगा? It's like you have to ask yourself, well, what will complete? You are already complete. You are full. आप एक full human being हो and complete in your own self. But what we do is we just get lost. This was a very materialistic, simple example that Srishti gave, that iPhone or that a relationship that you said. So we keep actually looking for things जो हमें complete करेंगे, not and takes a while for us to understand that nothing is going to complete you. You are complete. Just find yourself. That's so important.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. And we are complete even with our imperfections. We all are okay, and yet there is a lot of work to be done.
Absolutely.
ये हमारा काम as a human being. जो मदर बात करती हैं, inwardly we are whole, but outwardly जो हमारी आउटर कॉन्शियसनेस है, हमारा बिहेवियर है, हमारे पैटर्न्स हैं, मूड्स हैं, उन पे अभी बहुत काम करना बाकी है। जस्ट लाइक टुडे हम काम कर रहे हैं थॉट्स पे, विचारों पे। तो इनवर्डली आई एम ओके, कंप्लीट, एंड येट आउटवर्डली आई हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स टू डू. So when I know for sure that inwardly I am totally whole and complete, nothing can fulfill me. Now I can begin working on my outer self, which is my personality, so called, the mental field, the emotional field, the physical space that I have. फिर हम धीरे धीरे उस पे काम करना शुरू करते हैं. तो हम काम करना शुरू कर रहे हैं एक श्योरिटी के साथ that who I am is absolutely okay, and yet there is lots and lots and lots of stuff to be done and perfected, and then we are adventurer for a lifetime. अब कोई नहीं रोकेगा. अब जो भी चैलेंज आएगा, जो भी दुविधा आएगी, उसको हम अपनी परफेक्शन के लिए यूज करेंगे, उसको अपनी बेटरमेंट के लिए यूज करेंगे कि ओके, अब ये कौन सी मेरी वीकनेस बता के गया, ये जो फेस था मेरी क्या वीकनेस बता के गया, तो उससे भी आपने कुछ सीख लिया, हर चीज से सीख लिया कुछ, हर चीज को गुरु बना दिया अपना. सो दैट इज द kind of attitude that this kind of a path gives to us, being an adventurer for life. And that, as Komla ji was sharing, that is very fulfilling, being an adventurer for life. कि कभी सेटल नहीं हो गए, सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो गए कि मेरा तो काम हो गया, आई एम एनलाइटेंड, कभी सेटल नहीं हो गए. यू आर फॉर एवर अनसेटल्ड.
नहीं नहीं,
And
रोज बहुत काम है, बहुत काम है, और रोज काम है. और
yeah,
I have actually missed you. I've missed these sessions. I've missed listening to you, and it's so refreshing being back on the track. Yes. So here we begin again.
yeah, thank you for joining. Good to have you again.
My pleasure.
Yeah. So anything coming to anyone's mind, any question, any reflection, if you have any doubt? I'm not sure if I'll be able to resolve the doubt, but place the doubt forward if there is anything. We can just question it. Yeah. Especially in many relationship issues also, where things are not working well, and you want them to work well, but they are not working well. There is some kind of a problem which is going on there also. It can be used so beautifully that, I offer this relationship to the divine. आपने कोई अपने हिसाब से ज्यादा तीर कमान नहीं लगाया. आपने बोल दिया, आई ऑफर दिस रिलेशनशिप टू द यूनिवर्स. अगर ये मेरे लिए शुभ है तो मेरे पास रहेगी, और अब अगर मेरे लिए शुभ नहीं है तो जाए तो अच्छा. सो दिस इज, हर टाइम हमने ये देखना है, इज इट माई हाइएस्ट पॉसिबिलिटी. सो वी हैव टू अगेन एंड अगेन, क्या इससे भी हायर कुछ हो सकता है जो मैं इमेजिन करूं, तो आप वो क्यों करो इमेजिन. क्योंकि छोटे छोटे लेवल पे हम रहेंगे तो उस इमेजिनेशन में इतना दम नहीं होता. व्हेन वी गिव इट टू द डिवाइन, व्हेन वी ऑफर थिंग्स टू द यूनिवर्स, तब उसमें दम आ जाता है, तब उसमें पावर आ जाती है. तो अगर वो होना है तो होगा, नहीं होना है आपके लिए तो नहीं हो तो अच्छा है. तो आप दोनों चीजों के लिए तैयार बैठे हो. अब देखो ये कितना एम्पावरिंग है कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए मैं तैयार बैठी हूं, लाओ, ब्रिंग इट ऑन. दिस इज वेरी एम्पावरिंग इन नेचर.
Yes, it is. Just like my family, my mom's family also got infected. So my mother has severe asthma issues. So frankly speaking, जिसको आप कह रहे हो कि आपने यूनिवर्स को दे दिया, for my mom I used to feel that even if she doesn't survive, if COVID takes her away, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe it's her time. Maybe because she has health issues, she has many comorbidities. तो मैं उसके लिए prepared थी. घर पे कहीं अपने घर पे तो शायद उतनी prepared नहीं थी जितने हम बीमार थे घर में सब. But I experimented this with my mom कि अगर होना ही है ना कुछ, तो it's okay. I am prepared, and my father is no more, so I would just look at his picture and say, if you want to take her away. It's okay. I'll be fine. We'll manage. But she survived. She's fine. She's okay. So it's a, like you said कि वो तो gift आ गया मुझे वापस. So universe ने कहा कि नहीं, it's not the right time. He
Yeah.
was so prepared कि it's okay. She's there for you for some more time. So see, we are not prepared to lose our loved ones. Basically, we are not prepared. That is what the tragedy is.
you know, the way we live usually, हम ऐसे जीते हैं कि जो जो भी हमारे आसपास के लोग हैं, our loved ones, they become a part of our being. You know, ऐसे जीते हैं हम ऑर्डिनरी लेवल पे, हम यही काम होता है हमारा. तो इसलिए एक भी जना उसमें से कम होता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कम हो गया, बिकॉज वी हैव नेवर केयर्ड टू रियली गो इनटू इट एंड फाइंड दैट हु वी ट्रूली आर. यू नो, अगर एक इंसान कम होता है तो हमें लगता है मैं कम हो गया, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी अंडरगो अ काइंड ऑफ अ void and, you know, this lack, that when the person goes away and leaves life. Yeah. Yes, absolutely with you, Preeti. Yeah, these times are in fact beautiful times to go within, because there is nothing else where I can go. So where else to go but within? Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, my name is Mahavir Monika ji. Good evening. So,
Hi,
yeah, so
yeah, I'm with.
going through the interaction, so there are two levels of this, what you can say, consciousness. So one is being mindful, being in the moment, and once you attain that, then you master the flow of thoughts. So, like both the things are easier said than done, but it is actually very, very tough. So the moment you start your workday and then you actually kind of just forget. Like, so even when you are driving or you are doing bathing or whatever, like you are constantly thinking. And maybe some research has put up that we have around close to 6,000 thoughts a day. So, like, can you suggest any technique for a beginner? Like, it is extremely hard. Like, we all know that, okay, yes, being mindful is a great thing. We have to be in the present. It works. The mind should not wander. We all, read and people say about it, but actually, it's very tough. So, can you throw some light on some techniques and how to actually go about it?
So if I asked you that question, Mahavir ji, imagine that you were talking about imagination and thinking. Hmm? And I asked you, give me a technique how to do this. Think about it. What would you say?
Well, to start with, we can be very conscious and aware that, okay, I don't have to wander, and whatever I'm doing in the present, I have to stick to that. But at one point of time, you will tend to, even while you are doing something else.
Bilkul, bilkul. So there we have to be a little kind to ourselves. Force नहीं करना है. You know, we have to take baby steps. Baby steps क्या होते हैं? That okay, first of all आपके अंदर एक willingness होनी चाहिए कि मुझे ये करना है. I want to observe the flow of my thoughts. Okay, ये willingness होनी बहुत जरूरी है. अगर और कोई चीज ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है तो वो कर लो, लेकिन अगर ये चीज ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है तो फिर willingness जरूरी है. Now 24 hours of the day, even if you are able to observe in the beginning a few times that, oh, I caught myself thinking about this negatively continuously, that is enough. That is enough. So we have to just be very, very kind with ourselves, not force a thing. Perfection does not come in a day. अगर गिटार बजाना सीखना है तो एक दिन में मैं मास्टर नहीं बन जाऊंगा, बहुत साल चाहिए मास्टरी के लिए. तो इस चीज में भी बहुत साल चाहिए, बहुत साल चाहिए. लेकिन हमको शुरू कहाँ से करना है? जहां मैं अभी हूं, है ना. तो अभी मैं ये हूं कि अभी तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं है कि मेरे पूरे दिन में क्या चल रहा है. तो मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूंगी? पूरे दिन में ऐसे जो समय है जहां पे मैं थोड़ी सी रिलैक्स्ड हूं, थोड़ी सी खाली हूं, उस समय एटलीस्ट अगर मुझे याद आए कि मुझे ऑब्जर्व करना है, कैन आई कैच माई सेल्फ व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन माई हेड एंड मे बी राइट इट डाउन. इफ आई एम इंटरेस्टेड, मे बी राइट इट डाउन. उससे क्या होगा? मुझे एक पूरा चिट्ठा मिल जाएगा कि मेरे पूरे दिन में क्या 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 बातें चलती हैं, क्योंकि वही चीजें हम अपनी लाइफ में क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. हमारी लाइफ कोई और क्रिएट नहीं कर रहा, हमारी थॉट्स ही क्रिएट कर रही हैं. तो आप शुरुआत के लिए हम ये करेंगे कि हम बेबी स्टेप्स लेंगे. जहां जहां आप अपने आप को देख पाए, ऑब्जर्व कर पाए, आप करिए. मे बी लिख लीजिए उस चीज को, है ना. और फिर वहां पे आप ट्विस्ट लगा सकते हैं, जो ट्विस्ट की हम बात कर रहे थे, कि द मोमेंट आई सी ओके दिस इज गोइंग ऑन, अगर मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूं, इसमें इंटरेस्ट की बहुत जरूरत है. इफ आई एम एक्चुअली इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस थिंग, देन आई विल टेक अ कॉपी, टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर and write the opposite of that down. So if I am feeling weak, I say I am very strong, healthy and supported. तो मैं उसको लिखना शुरू कर दूं, तो थोड़े दिन में देखूंगी कि अरे चेंज हो गया. सो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाली बात है, और कुछ नहीं है. और टाइम तो हर चीज में
Okay,
लगता ही है ना, टाइम तो हर
sure.
चीज में लगता है.
मोनिका, इस जो महावीर जी ने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, उसके लिए मतलब मैं खुद ही अभी कोशिश कर रही हूँ करने का, बट मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, किसी ने लिखा था कि जब आप कैसे नोटिस करते हो कि आपको फीलिंग्स आपकी बताती हैं, जब आप कुछ अच्छा सोचते हो, आप कहीं अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहते हो, आपको फीलिंग अच्छी आती है. आप कहीं बुरी जगह, कहीं डार्क शेडी प्लेस में जाते हैं, आपकी वो फीलिंग चेंज आती है. तो जब आपको लगे कि आपके अंदर वो सिंकिंग वाली फीलिंग आ रही है, आपको खुद पता लग जाता है, हर इंसान को पता लगता है, तो उसी समय खुद को कॉन्शियस करना पड़ेगा. ऑब्वियसली उस समय खुद को रोको एंड ये पूछो क्यों आ रही है, अभी क्या सोच रहे हो, क्यों आ रही है, एंड ट्राई कि उसको मतलब वही जो आपने बोला कि जो गलत आ रहा है उसको ऑपोजिट लिखो, जो अच्छा है उसको ऑपोजिट लिखो. तो आई थिंक
बहुत सुंदर. यस, एब्सोल्युटली. या, फीलिंग्स टेल अ लॉट, whenever we are feeling right or wrong or sinking feeling, very true, very true.
Hi, can I ask something?
Yes.
Like what Mahavir ji said and what Srishti added on this, and basically I had the same thing, like जो मैंने आपसे शुरू में कहा था कि thoughts आते हैं while doing regular things and we are distracted. जब आप कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहे हो तो आप उस पर फोकस करते हो, लेकिन जब आप नॉर्मल चीजें कर रहे हो जिसकी आपको आदत है, तो आप कुछ 100 चीजों के बारे में सोचते रहते हो. तो बट लाइक यू सेड कि हम like law of attraction में जाएं, like we change our thoughts, but is it possible to live our day without any thoughts or live any moment without our thoughts? Like what is the need to hold on to a thought, whether it is positive or negative?
Beautiful, beautiful. So Nitish, Sri Aurobindo has said that there is nothing that can be done. So I'm not exactly remembering the line. He says that जो thought free stillness में किया जा सकता है, वो always it is much beautiful than to work with thoughts. So yes, absolutely, that there is a space where we can work from, where the mind becomes a receptacle, like an empty receptacle, and it serves as a instrument of higher guidance or wisdom. And that has been done by masters, many masters and mystics, that the mind becomes absolutely still as you are aspiring to, and then whatever knowledge comes is not a result of thinking, but a result of receiving the higher intuition or knowledge. Yeah, so absolutely that is our possibility. But since we were taking the base as thought, क्योंकि
Yeah.
अभी हमारा day to day level तो thought है ना, तो इसलिए हम वहां अभी गए नहीं, but that is absolutely our possibility. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. In fact, this is what it is to be done in a human life, that the mind is mostly, if not all the time, is an empty receptacle, empty container, so that the higher wisdom can dawn in form of intuitions in that empty receptacle. If that can be done, if you can experiment with that, I think that would be really beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for asking. So anyone, Jasmine, you have not shared. Yeah, okay. How do we manage emotions based on our thoughts? Or what is the purpose of emotions? Yeah, I think it's a very big topic, Jasmine, in itself, like an ocean of a topic. But yes, Jasmine, you want to share? Please go ahead.
No, I know actually I've been sitting with this for over a month or so, still sitting with it, can make sense of it. But today's topic about thought, it was really apt. I think, like everything else, it's like it comes in synchronicity because you know how I used to think it. There is no negative or positive thought, you know. So मैंने जैसे कुछ छोड़ा हुआ था, and I was feeling in my, you know, this journey last week or so, I was feeling a little bit जैसे, you can say, weak in that sense. And today's session completely makes sense. So what happened with me, I had some health struggles. So I'll tell of something I'm experimenting with right now. So hafta pehle, it's like I didn't want to eat anything because isse allergy hai. But you know, and you know how you said you wrote down bladder, theek hai. I did that too. But I think life unfolds in a way beautifully when you are going through the inner journey on its own. So I was just fed up. It's like I was observing my mad thoughts. Yeah, bus ho gaya, bahut ho gaya, sort of thing. I'm done with it. So then what happened? I can't have dairy at all, and wo to mujhe instantly I get sick. So yesterday, the weirdest thing happened. I ordered food at some other restaurant. My husband went to completely different restaurant to order. I ordered tikki because that restaurant does dairy-free food. So anyways, the weird thing happened. He got the food. मैंने खा भी लिया. It's funny, we were interacting. He's like, तुमने food नहीं order किया? मैंने कहा मैंने किया. I spoke to somebody, and he's like, anyways, they're preparing it now. He is saying a different name. I am thinking a different name. We had the communication, but I didn't hear it. This is how things happen. So anyways, he brought the tikki. उसमें पनीर था, dairy था. I ate it too, but I was so mad. I'm like, I'm खाऊंगी. देखती हूँ क्या कर. But it wasn't so ziddi, you know. It came from very deep. It's okay. It's, you know how you say the thoughts. Normally, I always have had those thoughts कि उसके background में ना यार अगर तेरा ये थोड़ा वो symptom शुरू हो गया या वो शुरू हो गया. Literally, पता नहीं out of madness था, out of what था, but it came very naturally. I ate it, I did whatever, and उसके बाद भी, even after that night time, normally I would go into that cycle. अरे अब ये symptom आ गया, oh shoot, मैं sick हो रही हूँ. But it happened very naturally कि I'm feeling okay. 24 hours हो रहा है, and I'm feeling okay. It was almost like, you know, just how you talked about thoughts and desires. And I don't know how things are unfolding for me, but to me, it's magical in itself. Not to say that I'm actively jaungi. I have just surrendered to it. It came to me, I took it, and I think I took it in that surrendering. I think somewhere was a noise hoti thi, nahi hui. So I don't know what it is. I think disempowering went away. So I think it came to my experience, what session you're talking about. So I really enjoyed this session because, you know, when you go through something, to wo tumhari conviction ho jati hai. Again, it's not about whether I can eat dairy or not, but it's that feeling that I felt. And I think wahan pe attachment nahi hai. I think
Beautiful.
so I really enjoyed the session today. It really made sense. And I used to think the thought, and I could hear when you were saying that when you observe your thoughts, so वो active thought, conscious thoughts तो high होती थी, पर उनकी background में जैसे वो layers and layers में ना वो negative या वो what ifs चलते ही रहते थे. So I used to pay attention to that what ifs in the sense to जैसे question सा करना होता था secure कि अगर वो negative हो गया तो I know कि I can cover that. It's almost I didn't surrender to it. Maybe I was lacking that faith कि जो होगा अच्छा होगा in that, you know. So anyways, so that was my experience. So thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. You know, I think, Jasmine, you have given me an idea almost, which I have been thinking for some time. Actually, Mother and Sri Aurobindo have shared a lot on the vital being, which is the emotional being, and how it has to be taken care of in yoga, in sadhana, and as taking life as sadhana. So मुझे लगता है कि this question you have asked, I don't have a few lines which I can say or would like to say because it is a very deep question in itself. Let us do a session next time on this. I have something which I've been going through on vital and emotions and how they play out and how they have to be understood in yoga. So next time, next Saturday, I think we can take this up, you know, on emotions and understanding the vital being. That would be nice.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Idea. Yes. Yeah, anyone, anything, any reflections? We are almost towards the end of the session. Is there anything you want to share? अच्छा, एक चीज, let me just share a few things which I would like to before we end. So यहाँ पे mother is sharing that instead of just being following desires, जो अभी हम बात कर रहे थे, material desire, ये job मिल जाए, ये वो मिल जाए, instead of those, if however instead of being desires, these imaginations or thoughts are aspirations for spiritual things. For example, which Nitish was asking, can the mind be absolutely still? And yes, it can be. So it is a higher aspiration which you can have. It's still a desire, but it's a aspiration. Desire has turned into an aspiration. It's for a higher spiritual thing. If however instead of being desires, these formations are aspirations for spiritual things, and one continues his line with a regular progress, then one is absolutely sure to obtain one day what one has imagined. So होता क्या है, क्योंकि हमारी डे टू डे जो डिजायर्स है ना, वो चेंज होती रहती है, वो कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड होती है. एज आई वाज शेयरिंग, 1 साल पहले वो इंसान चाहिए था, अब मैं उसकी शक्ल भी नहीं देखना चाहती, राइट? सो ये इन चीजों की बजाय अगर हम डिजायर करें, या इफ वी वांट टू मैनिफेस्ट समथिंग व्हिच इज इन हायर, टुवर्ड्स हायर एस्पिरेशन, दैट ओके मदर, आई वांट टू, जैसे नितिश ने जो एग्जांपल दिया वो बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है, दैट आई वांट टू मेक द माइंड एब्सोल्युटली स्टिल. So this affirmation, this imagination that can be used, that my mind is absolutely still, silent and receptive. So this can be an affirmation for me. Now this affirmation will stay with me for a long time, क्योंकि आगे आके कोई भी साल ऐसा नहीं होगा जब मैं ये बोलूंगी कि मेरा माइंड रेस्टलेस हो जाए. So this aspiration will stay with me for a longer time, and hence the progress can also be seen on this path. तो छोटी छोटी लिटिल डिमांड्स की बजाय अगर हम एक बड़ी डिमांड अपने आप को दें, जो कि इतनी ज्यादा एब्जॉर्बिंग है, जो एक बहुत लाइफ टाइम ऑफ साधना ले सकती है, तब उस पे हमें प्रोग्रेस क्लियरली दिखेगी थ्रू अवर इमेजिनेशन. दैट यू आर रीअफर्मिंग टू योरसेल्फ, माय माइंड इज एब्सोल्युटली स्टिल, काम एंड रिसेप्टिव. नाउ दिस इज वेरी एम्पावरिंग एंड कामिंग इन नेचर. अगर आप लिख के देखो इसको या एफर्म करो, सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड, मदर सेज. लिटिल डिजायर्स की जगह एक हैवी डिजायर दे दो, बड़ा डिजायर दे दो, गुड एक एस्पिरेशन दे दो लाइफ के लिए. एंड देयर मदर आल्सो शेयर्स दैट, फॉर एग्जांपल, वी वर टॉकिंग ऑफ दिस जर्नी ऑफ ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस वेयर आई हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द आउटर कॉन्शियसनेस. कि अभी भी मैं टेंडेंसी से एक्ट करती हूँ, अभी भी मैं बिहेवियर से एक्ट करती हूँ, अभी भी मूड्स से एक्ट करती हूँ. सो आई वुड लाइक टू चेंज ऑल दैट. So this also can be an aspiration, that I am transformed, I am completely transformed and at the feet of the Lord, or whatever comes to your being, whatever empowers you, strengthens you and brings more clarity. Any affirmation, any imagination can be used. So these desires for higher things, they go a long way. This can also be tried and experimented with. And also along with that, we can experiment day to day little things also and see what is the failure and what is the success. That is also fun. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm done about from my side. There is still a vast amount of literature available from Mother and Sri Aurobindo. Those of us who are interested, they can check out online. Google has all the information. Whenever you type, Mother and Sri Aurobindo.org or anything else, there is also a site called Incarnate Word. So here all the collected works of Mother and Sri Aurobindo are given. Yes, exactly, Preeti. Yes. So Preeti is sharing that feelings should be disciplined, educated, refined, purified and transformed. अब ये है पूरी जिंदगी का मेरे पास रॉ मटेरियल काम करने के लिए. एक दिन में नहीं होगा, 2 दिन में नहीं होगा, कुछ साल में नहीं होगा. So this is where we have to keep ourselves busy. That all the feelings slowly have to be actually turned toward the divine, if those of us who are interested. क्योंकि मुझे personally लगता है कि we don't have much option actually. We can refuse in the beginning that I don't want to offer myself to the divine, but later on we will arrive that there is no other path but to give and to give this whole life and all the feelings, all the emotions turned towards the divine. And then we have the capacity to have beautiful relationships amongst each other. क्योंकि तब हम एक दूसरे को खाने के लिए तैयार नहीं होंगे, तब एक दूसरे के साथ we can be more at peace and in love with each other. Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Preeti, for sharing. Yeah. Yes. So, okay. Yes, Preeti, I will share. Yeah. So, anything? Acha, you want to share here? Okay. Let me see. Okay, I'm not sure, Preeti, if I can just directly put it here, but since all of us are already connected, I'll share it later. Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Beautiful. Yeah. So those of us who have joined for the first time, we have a WhatsApp group where we keep updated about our upcoming sessions. Some of them, most of them are free. Some of them require a little bit of contribution. So those of us who want to be associated or want to have the updates, they can drop in their number in the chat window. Yeah, and then we can, I can just keep you in touch with the new sessions. Yeah. Yes, so that's it. Thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing your reflections and thoughts and also taking this adventure together. Yeah, thank you, Srishti. Yeah. Thanks, Preeti. Thank you for joining. Yeah, take care, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica. Thank you.
Thank you for the session.
Thank you, Monica.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Stay
Thanks,
safe,
Mahavir.
everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Monica,
you.
thank you.
Thank you so much, DKG. Thank you.
Thank you.